In this new video guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix Telegram login problem. First thing, go to the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you are gonna find the apps that you have in your mobile phone. So all what you wanna do is scroll until you find Telegram right here. Click on Telegram like that, as you can see. And now after you have clicked on the Telegram, all what you want to do is very simple. Click on the storage right here, click on clear cache, and after that click on clear cache again here, and after that click on force stop, and then go back, open the Play Store or the App Store. If you have iPhone, search for Telegram, and after that update the app right here. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.